Hello great minds, you are welcome once again to this video. In this video today I'll be working on the construction of isometric block, having isometric circle on it. We have a question like you can see on your screen now. We are told to produce the isometric block below. This is the isometric block with isometric circle with it. So the first thing we are going to do here is to produce the isometric block. So I'm going to quickly draw the isometric block now with the given dimension as we have here. So the first thing now, we'll draw the isometric axis. This block is receding at angle 30 degrees, so we have two receding lines, so which I will quickly do now. So I will start off by drawing the baseline. I will draw this line, produce this line this way, then I will draw a perpendicular, to that line. Okay, so let me move it this way a little. Okay, then you have from here you have this, then 30 degree. Move your set square. You know, we are drawing the isometric axis now. Yeah, at 30, using our 30 by 60 degrees set square. This is 30 by 60 degrees set square. This side is 30, this side is 60. So I will have to turn it this way to draw for the other receding lines. Isometric axis has two receding lines. So move it to the point here. Check this part and also check this part also. Make sure they are in order. Then we have it like this. So this is my isometric axis. You can see from here now. So I'm going to be taking 60 here. I will take 60. I have 16. So this is 60. We also have 60 at this other side as well, as given to us in the isometric block that we are to produce. So we have 60 here. So from here now we are going to have I'm going to have a perpendicular line from here this way, produce this line up. Okay, so at this part as well I will produce a vertical which is going to be perpendicular to the baseline. Okay, this way, just produce it this way, it's all right. Okay, so we have this place. Now we need to know what dimension is this place. So you can see from here we are given this side as 30, so here also is 30, here also have to be 30. Okay, so I will take 30 here. So this is 30. Okay, so taking this 30, I can either have 30 here as well, then connect the lines. Connect the lines from here. I have 30 here. Then also have 30 at this side as well. So 30 this way. So I will connect them now. Connect with thin line at first, so we'll take it out later. So you have this. Okay, so you have that. So we draw the top now, this top. Okay, this side is 60. Okay, 60. Then this side also 60. So this side has to be 60 as well. So all I'm going to do now is to stretch my compass to 60. Stretch my, okay, I can pick this, since this side is 60 here, this is 60, and this also will have to be 60, then this is 60. So I can just pick this length now, okay, which is equals to that. Okay, then I'll place here, strike this arc. Okay, so this side also is 60, so I don't need to adjust the compass again. Okay, I will use that same 60. so you can see where they both intersect on that vertical line. So I'm going to connect them, connect this now, connect this to this, then connect this to this. So I will highlight it now, I will take it out now. So I will take out my isometric block now, then I'll come this way. This way, this way, this way, this way, and finally this place. So this is my isometric block. So the next thing I will be doing now, I want to produce this circle that is on this block. So this is not going to, since the block is an isometric projection, it's not going to appear like a circle, it will appear as an ellipse. So I've done how to draw isometric circle in my previous video. I did the using the rhombus method of drawing isometric circle and the transfer method. So I can use any of the method here now. So this circle is at the center of this block, so you can see that's why we are giving this side to be 30. So the first thing I will need to do now is to divide this into 30. So I will divide this into 30 now. So I will have this now. So from here, so you have this is 30 here. So here as well, this is 30. Okay, then I will need to get 30 for, okay, let's connect this first. Let's connect this first with thin line this way. I will need to get 30 for this side as well. Okay, so this is 30 at this point as well. So this is 30, then I will connect them this way. Okay, so we have this. So this will be the center of the isometric circle. So I'm going to be using the rhombus method now. So we are given the diameter of this circle, of this isometric circle now, okay, to be 40. So please, you can take a look at my video on how I draw the isometric circle using the rhombus method. I'm going to repeat that now. I will repeat the procedure here, the process here. So the diameter of the circle is 40. So I'm going to be drawing isometric square, okay, from this now, isometric square. So if this is 40, so I will take here 20 here, 20 here. I hope you are getting it, 20 here, 20 here, okay, to get my isometric block, I mean isometric square. So I can take 20 here this way. So this is 20, then 20 here, which make this side to be 40. Okay, then I will take 20 here as well. So 20 here, 20 here. Okay, so what I need to do now, I'm going to be using this line now, this center line. Place my set square on it like this. I hope you can see that. Place my set square on it. I'm going to slide, because the lines have to be parallel to one another. So I will slide until I get to this dot here, this dot I make here for that 20. Okay, so I will slide up that way. So when I get to that point now, I'm going to draw that way, then come down as well. I will slide down until I get to that point. So I'm going to draw this as well. Then I'll draw for this other side. For this other side, place my set square this way now, slide. When I get to that point, I'm going to draw this, then slide down. When you get to that point now, then have this. So you can see the isometric circle is going to be inside this square here that we have here. So I'll quickly use the approximate method or the rhombus method to quickly draw this now. Okay, so I will draw the diagonal from this point to this point. I will draw the diagonal passing through the center, as you can see that way. So you have the diagonal this way. Take note, that is the diagonal. Okay, then from this point here, I will draw to meet this center. I will draw a line to meet this center. Okay, so from here now, produce a line, okay, passing through this center. Okay, please you can take a look at my video if you really do not understand to draw the isometric circle using this rhombus method. I really explained it in the previous video. Then from this side as well, I will draw to meet this side here. Okay, so I take note of that. So the next thing I'm going to do now, from this point here now, this point where this line, you can see where this line touches this part now, touches this longest diagonal. Okay, so I'll put my compass here. Okay, extend to that part now. I will draw to meet that point there. Don't worry, I will highlight it later. Okay, you have that. Then from this side also I will do same from this point now where it touches this part. Okay, so you can see that you have this. Okay, then I'll place at this point now, extend to this one. So you have this. Okay, then we have for this side as well, extend to this, you can see. So it's meeting it there. Okay, so let me highlight it now. So I'll put the compass here now to highlight what we have there. Okay, all right, so we have that. Then I'll come to this side. So we have that. Okay, then at this point now, to that point there, then place here now. Okay, so we have this is how the circle is going to be appearing on the isometric block. So the circle also is going to be in isometric form. I hope this is clear. Please, you can take a look at my previous video on how I draw, how I explain using the rhombus method to draw isometric cycle. I did that video, follow the step-by-step procedure of drawing isometric circle using rhombus method and the transfer method. I hope this is clear. Thank you very much for staying tuned. God bless you.